Do you want to cancel a friend request on Facebook? You can delete a Facebook friend request with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To cancel a friend request on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap on the three horizontal lines menu or your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. A new screen appears with different options. Find and tap on Friends from here. Now, you will see a list of friend requests that you received. Scroll down and find the name that you want to cancel the request for. You'll see a delete button next to confirm. Just tap on the delete button to cancel a friend request that you received. Now, the friend request will be canceled, and the person will no longer see that your request is pending for them to accept.